Welcome to our farm stay experience video. Today I'm just showing you a little bit about what we did recently. It is currently August 2024 and we are near Caravan in the Northern Territory. We are traveling now for almost 3 years. It will be 3 years in December, full-time in our Caravan, trying to lap around Australia. I'm saying trying because we only did Queensland and now Northern Territory so far, and in the Northern Territory we only scratched the surface yet because we're only here for a few weeks. But we decided to put a stop on our travels for a few weeks for several reasons. We wanted to take a break after we did nearly 4,500 kilometers in the last 3 months, so we needed a rest. We wanted to slow down and collect our thoughts and go through everything we have seen, etc. And second, my laptop, the main laptop I'm carrying with me, has some issues and needed a repair. That is the background of why we are staying here. Now, this video is not about working holiday visa or any other kind of visa and getting your 88 days to extend your visa or your 6 months to extend your visa, nothing like that. We work and travel because we are not retired yet. We are another 10 years, I guess, away from any retirement money or something. We don't want to retire early either because we love working, but we also love traveling and exploring. I'm coming to the point now. In this video, I'm showing you a little bit of what we've done on this farm. When we started our full-time travels, that was one of the things I wanted to do. I wanted to stay on the farm and help a little bit with the daily chores around the animals. So basically doing a little bit of animal husbandry. And since in my young years, I gained experience in sheep farming and piggeries and other stuff over in Germany due to my apprenticeship. I'm a, what do you call it here? A shepherd by trade, like, you know, a sheep farmer. And I just love animals. And I miss my Chooks, which I had in my backyard when we still had the house and all that stuff. So I just love caring for animals. And I thought I put a post out in one of the Facebook groups, in one of the Facebook groups actually, asking around if someone would need a little bit of help in exchange for us parking on their property with water hookup. We didn't ask for power hookup. We got it anyway, but didn't really need it. As long as it is sunny, we are fine with our solar on the roof. But I got a lot of response. And we picked the first person that came back to me that was closest to us, just a few kilometers from where we stayed at that time. And they invited us to stay on their farm and helping them a little bit. And they are not mainly a farming business. They have a different business running on the farm, but they also have cattle and horses and poultry and cats and sheep. So I'm at the moment in my happy place. They allowed me to give them a hand, and I'm in heaven. I love it. I know it will come to an end soon, as soon as I have picked up my laptop, or when I can pick up my laptop from Darwin, we actually will leave. But currently I'm glad I'm allowed to give them a hand with feeding the animals and preparing the food and feeding the little lamb that is a little bit up and down by her mom, so she needs a little bit of extra feeding, and I totally enjoyed it. And in this little video, I'll take you along with me and with us, showing you a little bit what we do. I don't give too much insight because I want to respect the privacy of the owners of this farm, of course, so I don't tell you anything about the location or the name of the business or something like that. Just a little bit what we do around the animals and what we actually love. So hopefully you enjoy it, and yeah, if that is something that you're looking for or that you want to do, I encourage you to post in the Facebook groups where they're looking for caretakers or helping hands on farms. This one is not a paid position, but you may also find job offers where they pay you actually some money. We didn't look for a paid position this time, but because Simon mainly looks for paid jobs in the carpentry and cabinetry area, where he is actually the trade, the professional. So I hope you enjoy this little video as well, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Mommy is driving buggy. There's cows waiting. That's it?
That's it, I guess. Quiet.
Yeah.
The two Guinea fowl are not supposed to be in here. Okay.
What a dusty day, hard working day, and what do you need? Ice cold beer after work, after hard work.
After working hard for half an hour.
Now for me was a little bit more. I fill up the...
An hour.
So we got here.
You sound like an old man.
Ooh, I'm an old man.
Chin chin.
Cheers.
That was good. So here we are.
Where we are.
Catherine.
Where are we?
Catherine, Northern Territory.
Still?
On a small farm. And we are currently staying here for free in exchange for helping them a little bit. And today was our very first, actually, Helper's Day.
Helper's Day.
Like
together.
something really productive. It's a very lovely family.
Yeah.
And we'll see how long we will stay here. We love the place. It's quiet and
a lot of wildlife.
relaxing. Yes, lots of wallaroos.
Oi, 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 oi. Slow down. Okay. You're a good girl, huh? You want more? Yeah.
Hello, babies.
Super cute, eh?